We're going to introduce the ball in a way that brings drive. It also creates a little bit of engagement between you and the dog, right? Most important thing with the ball is there's no freebies, right? You got to work for it. You got to work for it. And you see, if he doesn't want to grab onto it, it's okay, I'll take it away from him. And then I'll frustrate him again for it. A little bit of tug, not much, oh! And if that's enough to take it out of his mouth, he didn't really want it anyways. And I'm making it all about the ball. And every time he drops it, he doesn't want to bite into it, his mouth is tender and all this kind of stuff. We're just gonna have to work harder, man. And here I'm gonna build the possession a little bit. I just run away from him. Woo! Woo! Right away, you drop it, too bad. We gotta build more frustration then. Always I move away from him and encourage him. Whoa, whoa, and that's it. Oh, you dropped it. So now I'm gonna end it, but not yet. I'm gonna make a lot of frustration. I'm gonna build that drive up. The worst thing for this dog is freebies. For most dogs, really. When he has the ball, he needs to be able to get to you. You always move away. Come on. Good. Now pick it up. Make him miss it a few times. Oh, woo, woo. Come on. Come on. Let him win. And then back away. Let him win. Back away. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Touch it just a little bit and let him win. It's really important that when you're doing this, you're on the end. You're away from the dog. There's a few feet between you, and the ball's just out of his reach. You can come in a little bit from time to time to make some closer misses, but like, don't be right up in his grill. Once he has the ball, you get in his range, and you encourage him to come to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Good boy.